Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when me say it hot, my house hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Me I tell you, say today I am going to come up with a hot video. When me tell you, say Scotch bonnet pepper hot, Scotch bonnet pepper hot. First of all, me hear the kids them talking about this honey pack shit. So I went to the store and I bought myself a honey pack. See the honey pack, yeah? So what I'm going to do, I am going to give this honey pack to Papa Harry today to see him reaction. You understand? Them say it's supposed to make the thing good, so let me see if it go work for him. So anyway, guys, I'm never do it. Papa Harry love him coffee. So it's true, Papa Harry love him coffee. I'm just gonna warm up a cup of coffee for him and put the honey pack in it and give it to him to drink and let me see if it work. So I'll be back. Go get him coffee now. So guys, this is the honey pack. Let's pour it in a liquid. So you know the honey pack, it's good for the coffee. I love him coffee. I love it takes a little bit sweetish and like all the honey, you know. I'm gonna enjoy it. That's Papa Harry, that's me.
Time to come up the stairs. You know what stairs that? 100 and odd stairs that you come up here. So
100 and odd stairs?
Oh, you mean, you know, you come up the stairs then for come up from the basement?
But you exercise every day, so you're not supposed to take it so long for come upstairs, man. You.
Well, it take me long enough.
Okay.
So you have to just have patience with me. Thanks, man. Coffee.
Coffee want some eat? Yeah. You want to warm it up?
Oh, you mean I cannot call coffee? You know,
but look how long we call you.
Only you can't act it up till when me come. You know, you call me and me not come. You act it up and it cool. It don't work like that, honey.
Yeah, but
you call me and then when me come, you act it up. And we good. You know? This is what it is. You say me I go sit down and enjoy a cup of coffee. Yes, but me can't drink cold coffee. Do you know what it says? I drink cold tea. I don't drink cold tea. Coffee and tea are the same thing, you know, honey. I drink cold tea. I want something cold for drink. I go drink a pop or some cold ice water. Or coffee. Coffee I feel burn up on my tongue because I choke my mouth. Because so it have to come in like hot chocolate. You remember hot chocolate?
I don't drink hot chocolate.
You don't drink hot chocolate?
No.
That's why you give me cold coffee. Because you don't drink hot chocolate. You don't say hot chocolate. Tea for hot. Steam off your come out. Thank you. And boy, I tell you, say you're the best woman in the world, you know. My wife are the best. I test you, you know. I mean, I said, we say should have hot it up. My girl never even itch. Hot it up.
I just enjoy the little coffee where you want to drink together.
Coffee. Coffee tastes too good.
Drink the coffee, alright? Nothing wrong with the coffee. You love coffee, you drink coffee all the time.
Yeah, but this tastes good. This tastes good.
I want to the most.
It just tastes different. A new coffee this?
It's the same coffee when I always make. What if you're supposed to have no different taste? Me I drink it and not taste no different. So I know how you just say it tastes different. You're not supposed to taste no different. You know, just drink it and just drink the coffee and enjoy the coffee. And I say, I enjoy the coffee.
No, me I enjoy it.
You want some wine tonight?
I will drink wine. I hear people drink wine with coffee.
Well, you say you talk about taste, so you can't put
some white rum and coffee, but not. We call this wine and coffee. I never hear about that one.
Okay, well.
That's new to me.
Well, don't worry about it. Just go and drink the coffee and enjoy, you know.
I don't say I enjoy it. I enjoy it because it's nice. And it tastes good. But it just tastes different. Like it's too sweet.
Too sweet?
Or it's too cold. And it gets hot. Something different about the coffee, but it's good.
Okay.
Tastes good. You know, when I grew up, honey, when we realize, when I grew up back in the days, and I drink coffee, it not tastes nothing like no coffee. Maybe you will get used to it now. But back in the days, coffee tastes different than now. But this coffee tastes good. And this tastes good on it.
Make you lick it up.
Something to this coffee are just
sweet.
Probably put too much cream in there. Tastes good though, I don't complain. It tastes good, I like. But I remember back in the days when I drink coffee, it's like it's strong. Nobody don't make coffee strong like back in the day. I know, we'll go to our Italian woman house one day, we do some work. Upon my break, she bring coffee, come give me Joanna the best coffee me ever drink. I'm never gonna go taste coffee like that Italian woman house. I remember walking out work with that though. She bring out coffee. Yeah, we find myself get full of coffee one time.
Well, from me I enjoy it. Tastes good. Tastes nice. Good drinking the coffee with you. You say the bun was delicious.
Yeah, man, the bun tastes good.
So,
I just want something. Go buy a tin of cheese, the Jamaican cheese. I buy the smart thing. I'm gonna think I have the more downstairs.
You think no more than that?
I think I have the more downstairs. I'm gonna buy a tin of the smart thing. And I don't know what you eat it. I'm gonna make sense to buy a plate. But this. You know what the coffee tastes like?
No, what it tastes like?
I killed it.
Tastes like Miley?
Yes.
What it tastes like Miley?
Sweet.
Yeah?
Yes.
Sweet.
I feel like me, I kiss you right now.
You feel like that? Kiss me and drink coffee. You feel like that? Woo! Yeah, okay.
Sweet.
Sweet, okay. Okay. So anyway, me I go upstairs, go fold up them two little piece of something there. So just go and enjoy your coffee, alright? Okay.
5 minutes later.
I don't drink the coffee and it tastes so good. It reminds me of the first coffee we drink. It reminds me of that coffee when it tastes good.
That's nice, well, so long as you enjoy it.
Yeah, so. But we go downstairs and come back upstairs, man. You look different.
Different?
Yeah.
How different we look?
Look sexy.
Look sexy? You sure?
Yes.
Wait.
You don't know my eyes, they like they have glasses, contacts or something, I see different everything.
You have contacts in
bright.
it? Yeah?
No, it's like me have contacts, it starts different, it just look different, but it just make me look feel so, oh my God.
Feel good?
Yes.
Wait. What kind of...
What?
You can feel good, but we don't understand
You feel good on it, but when you see you, it's like magnet and dry.
Magnet and dry,
yes, and you look so hot.
Oh, you mean? Wait. Okay. Me look hot, magnet and dry here, but I'm
You what? You running away?
No.
You can't run away.
No.
Do me not.
Me not run away, but you just all over me so but
Me don't know. When we drink the coffee, we just feel. You're so scratchy.
Your foot has scratch you?
You're so scratchy. You're so just like jump.
Wow!
Yes. You don't know. And me just look for you. You look like gold.
You look like...
Nah, I don't know what the color of this thing.
Baby, we all look for.
You know, we don't know what we are looking for, but we just want to look. But honey, you know what? I said I'm up. Oh God, no, I don't want to be close to you. Oh, you give me for drink.
Me just give you a cup of coffee for drink. Why are you squeezing up and rubbing up and doing all of that?
No, I just feel like you're 15.
You just feel like you're 15. You just feel full of energy. Just some like coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee make you
gear.
Yeah.
Caffeine,
you know.
And the caffeine, yeah. Caffeine gear boots.
It's not bright, not my eyesight. I know my eyesight bright like
Okay.
Me just want over.
Okay. You just want all. Okay. You know what's wrong with you? So what we need to do, you need to take me off at the counter. Carry me upstairs. No, you're not going to carry me. Carry me upstairs. Gonna do what? You're not.
I just feel vibrant.
Okay. You're gonna just take me off at the counter, but you're not carrying me upstairs.
Downstairs.
You're not carrying me upstairs. Not carrying me downstairs. You're going to the business. You're going to buy this. Take me off at the counter. That's
you can't go about it. You're not in a mood there.
Hey, take me off of the goddamn counter. Okay.
Oh God, no. What?
You go your ways, we go my goddamn ways.
For real?
Yes.
You look like you're hiding from me, my girl. Oh, you're reaching there so fast.
Why are you following me?
I don't know if I'm drink this up there. It's just as we said, you just feel like you're steel and me a magnet and you're steel and you're a magnet. But me just want to feel which part you're there. You don't know. As we keep asking, will you give me free drink?
Just a cup of coffee. That's it. That's all I gave you. Just a cup of coffee. Didn't you see I was drinking a cup too? You drink a cup, I drink a cup. You were right there. You drink a cup, I drink a cup. So what's there for you to
You look so good. This color look like it just blend with you.
What are you doing, Harry?
I don't know, I just feel like say I need to be energetic.
You need to be energetic, so just go be energetic now. You can't.
There's lots of things
you can do to make you energetic, Why are you robbing me?
You look so good, honey.
Look good?
Yes, you look so sweet, my girl. You look like something good at eat.
You look. Me look like something like what? Say that again for me here. Me never hear.
You look like something could have eat ice on top, honey. Oh, the grey hair, the
grey.
wig.
And the wig?
Yes, it make you look like the ice on top.
No, sir.
For some reason, honey,
I
don't know. We never see them wear all the time for how much years. You just look glistening and glowing. Like
how much years did them amongst me? Never see me looking glistening, glowing like this.
But not like this much. You just look so exceptional. You look so, oh my, you look like something I want to not even want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk?
No, we just want to do it.
You just want to do it? For you? No, sir. What you want to do? What's wrong with you?
You know what? I just feel that way like I want to do all kind of things with you, just all over you, honey, and just in and out of you. In
and out of me?
Yes.
What the fuck?
So energetic, like we can't able to do that, honey. And tell the truth, I never see you look so sexy. Good Nicole, you know. But you look so vibrant and blooming and glistening. You look like the morning star in a midnight.
You look black lad, no sir. Morning star in a midnight.
Yes.
What the fuck? We don't know nothing about that one. You're the first me hear you talk about it. Look like Lord have mercy. Look like me if we gonna make more like the coffee they if you drink more than anything else.
You have to give me more than just this though.
Hey, me forget more than just what?
Because I want to be all over you.
You want to be all over me?
Yes.
Lord have mercy.
Part of me a scratch.
Your body a scratch you?
My body's a jump on me so. Oh,
your tilly pot a jump? Why your tilly pot a jump? You go push off your tilly pot second. Your tilly
it just... I said...
Your tilly pot a jump.
Let me feel
The two might jump. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, honey. I feel hungry.
You feel hungry?
Yes.
Feel hungry for... Man, get up and go on. You never say feel hungry and come show up yourself.
I feel like I'm gonna eat you.
You can't all over me like that to take off my wig. So...
Why, honey? I don't know. It's like...
Yes.
Oh, God, you're so pretty today.
Yes.
Yankish.
You
look so sweet. And you lick them just watery on like...
Me just lick my lip on it, Dad. Me just lick my lip.
Feel like we are 16, we're only 16.
Yes, me remember when we were 16. And them kind of feelings that you have like when you're 16.
Like me care. Stay far from you. I just want to... Oh my God, you're so sweet.
Oh God, no, sir.
And you look so. Care you, me I look for every day. I may never see them here. Oh.
It's about to go down.
I'll get myself a snack, okay? Just relax a second. I'll get myself a little snack and go back.
I can't relax for too long. You don't have to come back, you know, my girl. Cause now go work, you know. Hurry up and come. Oh, me had a sweat, honey. Yeah, me no never the hot coffee. And the... Oh, God. Never had a sweat up here. You get a banana only?
Yeah.
You know the banana signify. Oh, my God. Honey, don't do me that. Don't do me that, honey. You know the banana. Oh, God.
What?
My piece side.
Where banana feel from? You say eat the banana?
No, you're not eating it. You're eating it with style, honey. Aya. I like that. Lord. Give me a bite there. Cause.
You sure you want a bite of my banana?
Really, I know the banana want a bite of something else, but it's okay. So we see with the banana, you know, we just say banana, but we don't think of the banana more want, you know. Some cherry,
This is nice.
Oh, the cherry. Yeah, bite there. Why bite this? I'm going to tell you, it's like...
This is a good snack.
Coconut and banana taste sweet. All of a sudden, everything you touch sweet.
Everything it tastes sweet?
Everything when you touch sweet. But I don't know is what one. You are bossy. Take time with me, you know, take time with me. You're going like you want to kill me. Now when they come and just hug you and hold you just for the fun. Like, oh, God. Oh, I feel like I'm in heaven.
In heaven?
Yes.
So that's sometime.
You smell so...
Where's the smell, mister?
You smell so good, honey. Smell like... Wait, what I say you smell like?
Like what?
Caramel.
You smell like caramel?
Yes, and cinnamon. All of the things that smell good. Smell like caramel, cinnamon mixed together with a bit of nutmeg and some vanilla.
Lord God.
Yeah,
Cinnamon, nutmeg,
vanilla.
And the bun when we bake today.
Oh, it smell off by you?
Probably.
Okay.
Because that's the only time it was angling cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla.
Yeah, you smell like the whole of them. It tastes good too.
So anyway, baby.
Okay, right, honey. You look sweet, so.
You look sweet?
Yes. You look so.
You know something? We can watch a little bit of movie. We can watch a movie.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll watch a movie.
That would be good, honey. Honey, what is honey?
What?
You try to put on the converter, we don't need no TV.
What? We can watch some TV.
No, we can make our own movie. Me and you make our own little film. You don't have to have no it's not that. Yeah. Come and show you.
You show you of it? Okay.
You know, we do our own little movie and come dance on it. Oh my God, Lord. All feet, you dance nice, so. Lord.
Okay, honey, okay. You dance with me, alright. Okay.
Wait, no. And you smell so good.
Okay.
Lord. Honey. So, you know what? Honey, where you go? Come sit down for me, man. Come sit down for me.
Why we need to sit down in your lap?
You don't know. Me just feel so good. Oh, yeah. Sit down good. Where you go? Come on. May
I get some drink.
Honey, where you going?
Where you bring me down? You look sweet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh my God! Wow!
I don't know, but we just feel like we want you in my lap. You know, sit down for me.
Okay.
And you look so sweet and you look so fine and you look so nice. You look like a really Indian ripe mango.
When I said me look and feel like an East Indian ripe mango.
Eastern mango is the East Indian mango, the sweetest mango in the world.
Okay.
What you do? What you do?
I'll get a drink of water.
Well, don't come on the camera. No, why you feel like you are a cold dog? Hold on. Honey, come here. Come sit down here, son.
I'm still where?
Get up on
You
the
do what?
chair. You know, something you get rid of the push on them.
For the what?
We don't have nothing special for you, just have to do a thing. Come on,
What kind of
come
thing?
We don't know when we do it, we find it out.
Me not do nothing with you. Me not do nothing with you in here.
Honey, then why you refuse and agree?
And it's just a prank. It's just a prank.
Honey, if all prank was as sweet as this prank, would I do a prank with you every day? Anyways, come sit down.
It's just a prank, honey. It's just a prank. Yes. It's just a
that
prank.
prank was so sweet, honey.
Yeah?
Yes. I feel all kind of feelings in my body. I don't know what.
Yeah, but
All kind of feelings.
well, honey child, I guess the honey pack work.
It's a real honey pack.
It's a honey pack.
Yes, honey.
70-year-old. So drinking a honey pack?
Yeah, but honey, why you give me a honey pack at 70? That's for young people, 16-year-old and 20.
So not because of young people, old people can't use it too. We can work with it too.
Well, let me see if you do nothing for me now.
But we see later on.
Okay, honey. I'm going to be a negative together.
Go be a yourself together.
I'm going to the same thing, you know. Sort out myself because this honey pack ever come on strong for me.
Oh, God.
I want to make sure, say, we're ready.
You ready for
and you ready too.
All right, then.
So go on and come, honey.